All right, everybody. So here we are, part 2 with the Mighty Math Mountains. Now this time I've got 2 math mountains. You can write these on anything. You can just draw these on a blank piece of paper. It really doesn't matter. Or you can print out the ones that I've shared with you. However, a math mountain always looks like this. 2 diagonal lines. There will be a number at the top. And then down here, we will write the equation. And remember, an equation has the numbers and it also has math symbols. Put it together. And same as or equal to. So we're going to make sure we have those symbols. Now, I'm going to start with 2 different numbers first. We'll start with this math mountain on the left, and then we'll go over here to the right math mountain. So the number I'm going to choose first is, it's a teen number. Teen. So it's 10 plus a little bit more. 13. That's a good one. All right, so I'm going to write 13 at the top. Got my 13. Now, some numbers are going to go to the left. Some numbers are going to go to the right. So I'm not sure how many I want to put down here, but my goal is to find out what 2 numbers can add together to make 13. Partners in numbers. We'll sing that song later today. Let's see. 13. I could, let's see, how many should I put down here on the left? I think I'll do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I've got 4 tiny tumblers on the left. Now the rest of them went to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All the way up to the top. Let's see. How many did I put on the right? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay, so now I've got 13 at the top. 4 went to the left. 9 went to the right. What's missing? That does not look like an equation. I'm going to write my equation underneath. 4, what symbol should I use? Am I taking it away? Whoosh! Or am I putting it together? Putting them together. 4 plus. 4 plus how many? 9. 4 plus 9. Does that look like a finished equation? I agree. It's missing something. Equal to. I need my equal sign. Now 4 plus 9. Now I can draw the dots underneath like I did for the tiny tumbler story, or I could just count them up here. I think I'll count them up here. So 4 was 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I need to count them all together because it's addition. We're adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's the big question again. Does 13 match the number at the top of the math mountain? Yes, it does. It's 13 and 13. And does this look right? Does it look like a full equation? 4 plus 9 equals 13. It's got math symbols, it's got numbers, and does it make sense? Yes. Yes, it does. Okay. My knee's working. All right. Next one, I'm going to choose a number that's not a teen number. Let's do something below 10, less than 10. Ooh. 9. I'll just draw a line down here so we don't get them mixed up. Okay. 9. Some are going to go to left, some will go to the right. Let's put, how about 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 to the left. So how many would be to the right? Am I going to draw 9? Would that make sense? I don't think so. It has to be 9 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did I draw? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. All right. Time to write the equation. 6. Put it together or take it away. Put it together. 6 plus. How many? 3, that's right. Is that an equation or am I missing something? I'm missing something. I need my equal symbol. Equals. Now 6 plus 3. You can use your fingers for this. If you got 10 fingers, and I know that everyone in room 2 does, you can do it. You can actually use your fingers for this, or you can draw dots, or you can take Legos and put 6 Legos and put 3 Legos down, or depending on what you have around the house, you've got paper clips. I don't know. Every house is a little different. You've got something that you can collect and count. Use those to count too. Or use your Math Mountain. It's right in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. Does it match? Does it make sense? Can you tell someone why? How do you know? I know because I... And then you have to explain your thinking. So that's Math Mountains. That's it. You can draw 2 diagonal lines. Choose any number you want from 1 up to 20. If you want a real challenge, go ahead and write a number above 20. But play with Math Mountains. Super important. This is Partners in Numbers, and you will be seeing this again in 1st grade. Thank you.